Hi, this is Piyush Mehta, CEO and founder of Data Dynamics. Today, we're going to talk about the wonderful energy sector. What a transformation we're going through. From the day of working and using coal-powered energy sources to leveraging the wind, leveraging solar, leveraging hydrothermal, including nuclear, are all areas that you see a transformation take place. Every single energy company is working on a business transformation to go from the traditional digging into the earth for coal-based resources to a far more cleaner, greener way that has the least carbon impact to the environment. As part of this transformation, understanding the sources of energy, understanding the data points collected when doing the research around it become an extremely important element. The protection of that data, the use of that data becomes just as vital as the actual data itself. When you think about these organizations, their challenge is not just the capturing of the data, but the actual value they garner from it. That then leads to how do you use that data to generate new ideas, new innovations that keep our planet as clean as possible for the foreseeable future. As you look at the crisis that's enveloped, for example, in Europe, in terms of the energy requirements they have and where they're going, they too are facing a pivotal challenge in helping drive that transformation. Most energy companies are using the cloud as a key aspect to drive scalability, trying to use the compute resources that the cloud providers offer in terms of crunching the data so that they can understand the information better. They're also using it as a means of cost savings, data center consolidations, and reducing their own carbon footprint. When you look at that digital journey, knowledge of where that data resides, what's within the data, protection and governance of that data, and accelerating the journey to the cloud becomes an important aspect of garnering the value as part of their digital transformation to that cleaner, greener energy organization. And that's where we as Data Dynamics can have a major impact. Having worked with two of the top 5 energy organizations in the world, we truly understand the challenges they face and have helped made a massive impact in bringing value. We encourage you to take a look at the case studies and the details around what we can do at www.datdyn.com and understanding more around how we can help in that journey.